We're making chili chicken today, and if you've never had it before, you're honestly missing out because it's a classic Indo-Chinese recipe, super popular as an appetizer or as a main served with some like rice. So yeah, let's get into the video. I think boneless and skinless chicken thighs work best, but I've just got some chicken breast here. You can use either. So we're going to start off by marinating the chicken. So I like using ginger and garlic paste, but if you don't have that on hand, then feel free to use some ginger and garlic powder as well. Use normal chili powder if you want it to be a little bit more spicy. Add a good pinch of salt. So I don't usually write measurements for salt and pepper because I feel like it just makes more sense doing it according to your own taste. So I'm using a mix of both plain flour and corn flour because I feel like it just adds the right level of crispiness that you need. I feel like corn flour on its own would just be too crispy for this recipe, but if that's all you have, just use either or. Make sure you take your rings off and then give it a really good mix with your clean hands. Clean hands. Put this to the side and let it marinate for at least half an hour. Go wash your hands in the meantime. You can definitely air fry this as well, but I'm just going to fry it in some oil. It's taken way too long. Just use me on this, honestly. Once they're nice and crispy and cooked through, you just want to set them aside either on a paper towel or like on a strainer to get rid of the excess oil. Rather than crowding the pan with all the chicken, fry it in smaller batches because it just makes it a bit more crispy. It should be really crispy like this. Now I've just got 1 tablespoon of oil and then we're going to start sauteing some peppers and some onions. And then you're going to add in a little bit of salt because I just feel like it helps it cook faster. Now I'm going to add in a bit of ginger garlic paste and just mix that in and cook it till the raw smell goes. Now lower the heat and add in the ketchup and the soy sauce and just give that a good mix. A little bit of sugar just balances everything out as well. So because I want it nice and saucy, I'm just going to add in some corn flour mixed with some water. So once that's thickened, add in the crispy chicken that you fried. And give it a good mix so that it's all coated. Yes, enjoy this close-up. It's ready. I'm just so excited to eat this. That's just too good, honestly. You can also substitute the chicken for tofu or cauliflower if you don't want to eat chicken. But yeah, that is a seriously good recipe that you need to try out ASAP. But yeah, let me know what you want to see next, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Bye.